The science behind how your lifestyle affects the aging process. Hi, I'm Han Brown, and in this video, I'm going to show you how your current lifestyle choices can affect your future health. Studies have shown that there are many factors in our lives which contribute to slowing down or speeding up the aging process. So whether you want to live longer, look younger, or just feel better about yourself, then this video is for you. You need to take good care of your health to maintain your body and prevent diseases regardless of your age. But if you are 60 and above, you need to be extra careful and take care of yourself all the time. The older we get, we're more prone to having health problems. So the following points will help you stay healthy as a senior. 1. Become a morning person and wake up at the same time every day. Morning people are ready to go in the morning if they get enough sleep by going to bed early and waking up early. The brain is active in the morning so they can be more efficient at work. Sleep is good for your body because it has time to rest and recover from yesterday's activities. It also lowers your chance of getting heart disease or stroke, and it's good for your mental health. Being a morning person is good for your health overall, and it also makes sense to have an early breakfast. 2. Eat breakfast within an hour of waking up. Breakfast is a good way to start your day. It wakes up your body and the metabolism. When you eat breakfast within an hour of waking up, it will have long-term benefits. You may be protected from disease and diabetes. Wake up early and have a healthy meal when you first wake up. Remember, a little exercise in the morning is the best way to energize your day. 3. Exercise for about 30 minutes each day, 5 days a week. Check out this video, Benefits of Wearable Technology in Healthcare for Seniors, for more insight on exercising. Regular exercise is important for your health. It helps you get stronger and it helps your endurance. You could do 30 minutes of exercise every day to help you get strong, or just go to the gym. Regular exercise also makes it easier for your body to supply oxygen and nutrients to cells in your different parts of your body. Regular exercise also makes it easier for your body to supply oxygen and nutrients to cells in the different parts of your body, which can protect you from heart diseases. You might lose water while exercising, so make sure that you drink plenty of water. 4. Drink 8 glasses of water per day, or more if you're active. You're aware of the benefits of drinking 8 glasses per day. Drinking enough water is good for your health. You need to drink 8 glasses per day to avoid dehydration. Drinking enough water will help you have muscle stamina, improve kidney function, promote blood circulation, and ease digestion. Drinking enough water can also help you lose weight and get clearer skin. It also helps your brain work better. Remember to get rid of all the stressing factors. 5. Reduce your stress level by meditating or practicing yoga regularly. Stress can lead to many health problems, but it's different in how it affects you. Physical stress will go away faster than emotional stress. Emotional stress can even cause other things like social and health problems. Yoga can help with these stress and protect you from these problems. Getting enough sleep is also a good way to deal with stress, because then your body will be stronger when it tries to fight off the effects of the strain on your body. 6. Get 7 hours of sleep a night. Don't watch TV in bed. An adult person should sleep at least 7 hours a day. That will help them be more focused and make them more productive. It also prevents depression, strengthens the immune system, and improves their emotions and social interactions. Inadequate sleep can increase your risk of developing diabetes, depression, heart disease, and stroke. It will also make you gain weight because you need more calories than people who have enough sleep. Remember, you also need a good diet for you to remain healthy. 7. Eat healthy food that is low in fat and sugar, but high in fiber and protein. Check out this video on digital healthcare, seniors aging healthy, to get more tips on healthy aging. Having a healthy diet is important for your health. Your diet should have low fat, low sugar, and low salt. A high fiber and protein diet can protect you from illnesses such as cancer and diabetes. You should also eat less processed foods that are high in fat or sugar, because they may increase your risk of developing cardiovascular disease. Too much fat in the diet could make you have high cholesterol, which raises your chances of getting heart disease. Too much sugar can make you gain weight, and that increases your risk of getting high blood pressure. On the other hand, a diet that is high in both fiber and protein will improve your health. When you have a diet with lots of fiber, it helps you digest food better. It also helps your movement to happen more often. A diet with lots of fiber also lowers your level of cholesterol. It can help you control sugar level and maintain the correct body weight for people who needs to be at their best weight. A protein-rich diet is very important to your body. It provides you with the proteins that are good for your body. A protein-rich diet can prevent muscle loss, help with building lean muscles, and help control hunger. Protein-rich diets have other benefits too, including helping maintain a healthy weight as an older adult. As you get older, your body gets worn out much faster than when we were younger. So it's important to eat foods that will give you the right nutrients to stay healthy. Having a good social cycle is important in making sure that you have good diet. 8. Be social. Be in good terms with your family and make friends within your community. We're all social animals. If we have good relationship with others, it can help us handle stress and have a happier life. Make sure that you have good relationship with your family because you're going to need their support during these tough times. Make friends in the community and come together in meetups. Having good relationships with your family and other people in society will make your life better. They help you grow. Relationships are important because it gives meaning to your life. It helps us reduce stress and might even keep us alive longer. Your social cycle can keep you on schedule with medical appointments. 9. Make sure to go to the doctor when you are scheduled for medical checkups. Check out the video here, Healthcare for Older Adults, for more tips on senior healthcare. Regular medical checkups are important for your health. They help you find problems before they become serious and when they are less complicated to fix. It's best to go in when there is not a disease already happening so that it can be fixed easier and faster. Some diseases, such as cancer, may be cured when they are found early enough so that you can treat them. So make sure to go to your medical checkups often and tell the doctor about any problems that may happen in between visits. 10. Stick to doctor medical prescription. If you're sick, make sure that you go to the doctor. This will help them examine your symptoms and recommend treatments. You should follow the doctor's prescription, or else you can end up with chronic disease that is hard to treat. It is not safe to self-diagnose and to take medicine on your own because it might not work well and it could have adverse effect on your health. Make sure that you stay connected with your healthcare provider so they can keep track of your condition and make better decisions based on it. 11. Limit your alcohol consumption. You should drink less alcohol because it can affect your sleep and make you feel tired. Drinking too much can also bring up feelings of anxiety and stress. If you have been drinking even just one time in the past, you might feel hungover or not be able to be effective at work. Make sure to cut down your alcohol intake and also quit smoking. 12. Quit smoking to prevent cancer and heart disease. Smoking is not good for your lungs. It may cause diseases such as lung cancer and heart disease. When you stop smoking, you're not just protecting yourself, but you're also protecting your friends and family who don't smoke from the risk of getting cancer or heart disease from being around you. Smoking may affect your dental hygiene. So 13, make sure to take care of your dental hygiene. It's very important for many reasons, including preventing tooth decay and gum disease. Other disease from your mouth include dry mouth, cancer of the oral cavity, and cancer in the tonsils. You should take care of your dental hygiene as an older adult so that you don't get these problems. The lifestyle and habits that we choose in the younger years can have a huge impact on how we age. Diet, exercise, socializing with friends and family, reducing stress levels through meditation, yoga. These are all things that seem small, but they make a big difference over time. We've seen the effects of smoking cigarettes on people who continue to smoke well into their 60s. It doesn't take long for those little choices add up to major health risks when you get older. So which healthy living habit do you think will help your aging process? Let us know in the comments. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I'm excited to help people in the best part of life. I hope that you join this community on our journey through aging, caregiving, longevity, and attitude towards growing older. So please subscribe to the channel, press that like button, click on that bell icon to get notified when there's a new video.